Switching tracks to the latest in Cyclone Fani now, which is headed towards the Odisha coast between Gopalpur and Chandbali and is likely to hit the southern part of Puri by Friday afternoon. That's when the landfall is expected to happen. The NIA, in fact the National Crisis Management Committee and the NDRF, the Indian Coast Guard as well, all of them are on high alert to try and ensure that emergency measures are kicked in. Let's go across to Divya to get a sense of the movement of the cyclone at the moment. Divya, where is it currently and which are the areas which will see maximum impact?
Yes, Sonal, let's talk about the fact that this cyclone has intensified into an extremely severe cyclone, and the wind speed at which it's moving could be gusting to about 210 kilometers per hour. Extremely severe cyclone Fani is 710 kilometers south-southwest of Puri, that's in Odisha, 480 kilometers south-southeast of Visakhapatnam. It's going to get stronger while it's at sea, intensify even further till about this afternoon. Fani is going to recurve from this afternoon, so it was headed, in fact, in this direction. It's going to start to recurve and it's going to move towards the coastline of Odisha, and of course it's going to impact adjoining areas as well. The impact of a cyclone depends on the speed at which it moves and also the speed at which it touches the land. Let's take into account the kind of wind speed we're expecting today. Like I mentioned, 210 kilometers per hour. That's very strong. Of course, it continues till tomorrow night at 210 kilometers per hour. The speed tends to reduce slightly before landfall, and that's what we're expecting. The cyclone speed will be 205 kilometers per hour before landfall in Odisha on Friday afternoon. It's going to cross the Odisha coastline between Gopalpur and Chandbali, likely to hit the southern part of Puri. The storm surge, which is the height of the storm, that's expected to be about 1.5 meters. That's the kind of impact we're expecting, which could lead to inundation of low-lying areas, whether it's in areas of Puri, Ganjam, Khurda or Jagat Singh Pur, also those districts of Odisha, Kendrapada as well as Bhadrak and Jajpur, also Balasore, in those areas of Odisha, east and west Midnapur, also south and north Parganas, Howrah as well as Hooghly, those areas along with Kolkata in West Bengal, Srikakulam and Visakhapatnam, along with Vijayanagaram and other areas of Andhra Pradesh, all need to watch out and be very, very careful. The kind of damage we're talking about could be to Kacha and Pakka houses, also potential threat from flying objects, extensive uprootment of trees, communication as well as power poles, disruption of rail and road link at several places, extensive damage to standing crops, plantation, orchards, blowing down of those palm trees or those coconut trees, and of course also uprootment of very bushy trees. The sea condition is phenomenal, which means a word of caution to fishermen and people: do not venture into the sea. Sonal, over to you.